For years, I believed my hands were the problem. Puckered seams, skipped stitches on thick layers, the constant battle just to quilt a simple straight line, until I discovered that 95% of quilters' error isn't you at all. It's your machine. After testing every major release for 2026, I found the one that doesn't just sew, it understands quilting. It has a mind of its own, and today, I'm proving it. But be warned, once you see what it can do, your old machine will start gathering dust before this video ends. Number 1. Janome Memory Craft 500E. You can embellish and monogram clothes, accessories, and home decor with the 500E LE. With the help of 6 fonts, a large embroidery area, on-screen editing functions, and the ability to sew 860 stitches per minute, the sky is the limit as to what you can create. Plus, the 4 hoops that are included with the Memory Craft 500E limited edition should be enough to get your creative mind going. Start designing and embroidering today with Janome's Memory Craft 500E LE embroidery machine. One of the standout features of the 500E LE is its versatility, equipped with an impressive selection of 6 different fonts that cater to diverse design preferences. Whether you're looking for something elegant, modern, or traditional, you're sure to find the perfect font for your project. The machine also boasts a large embroidery area, providing ample space to work on larger designs without constraints. Additionally, intuitive on-screen editing functions enable you to fine-tune your creations, ensuring every detail is just right before you start stitching. Number 2. Juki TL 15 9-inch mid-arm quilting and piecing machine. Updated with LED lights for enhanced visibility during sewing projects, this sewing machine boasts a generous throat space of 9 inches from the needle to the right side and 6 3/4 inches from top to bottom, providing ample room for larger fabrics. It features a one-pedal operation allowing for simplified stitching without the need for additional controls. The machine can operate at speeds of up to 1,500 stitches per minute, SPM, making it efficient for both small and large projects. It allows for a maximum stitch length of 6 mm, accommodating a variety of sewing techniques. The presser foot lift can reach up to 9 mm via a lever, and a 12 mm lift can be managed using the knee lifter, offering versatility when working with bulky materials. Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylist 9985 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Discover endless creative potential with over 1,000 stitch applications that cater to a variety of needs, including basic stitches for everyday sewing, stretch stitches for knit fabrics, and an array of decorative options that can bring flair to your projects. This sewing machine allows you to customize and save unique stitch sequences, taking advantage of 60 memory slots for easy, quick access to your favorite designs. Whether you're working on fashion garments, home decor enhancements, or intricate quilting projects, this machine empowers you to bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly and with precision. The included accessories elevate your sewing experience, as the machine comes with a comprehensive set to support an extensive range of sewing tasks. You will receive 15 presser feet designed for specialized functions, including Number 4. Janome 4120 QDC T Computerized Quilting and Sewing. 120 built-in sewing stitches with a built-in alphabet. Your possibilities are endless with 120 built-in stitches. Sew quilt labels and more with the built-in alphabet. Built-in automatic needle threader, no more eye strain. Simply pull down the needle threader, place your thread in the hook and pull back. Easy-to-use control panel with LCD panel. The easy-to-use control panel makes sewing a cinch. Jam-proof EasySet top-loading bobbin system. It's easy to change your bobbin. Simply follow the track and the machine will automatically bring the bobbin thread up for you. There is no need to worry about running off the edge of your project because the bobbin system is jam-proof. Number 5. Janome Skyline S3 Sewing Machine. Features of the Janome Skyline S3 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Top-loading full rotary hook bobbin. This design ensures smooth and reliable bobbin use, making it easy to monitor thread levels and change bobbins quickly. 120 built-in stitches. The machine offers a wide variety of stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches to suit any sewing project. 7 one-step buttonholes. Effortlessly create professional-looking buttonholes with the automatic one-step feature that adapts to the size of the button. Alphabet feature: personalize your projects with the ability to use an alphabet, perfect for monogramming and labeling your creations. Automatic thread tension control: this feature automatically adjusts the tension of the thread for consistent stitch quality regardless of the fabric being used. And that is how you turn frustration into heirlooms. The right tool doesn't just make the job easier, it rekindles the joy. If you're ready to meet the machine that can finally keep up with your creativity, your journey starts in the description. I've linked every machine we talked about today, from the budget-friendly heroes to the dream floor models, plus the must-have quilting feet, needles, and thread I swear by.